Good morning, students. Last lecture we have discussed about the electrochemical cell. What is the electrochemical cell? Electrochemical cell is the device used to bring about the redox reactions or electrochemical reactions are called electrochemical cells. Today we are going to discuss about the types of electrochemical cells. There are two types of electrochemical cells. First cell is the galvanic cell or Voltaic cell, and second cell is the electrolytic cell. Okay, why the first cell is called galvanic or Voltaic cell? Because this cell is discovered by the Luigi Galvani and Alessandro Volta. Therefore, this type of the cell, first type of the cell, electrolytic cell, is called galvanic cell or Voltaic cell, and second type of the electrochemical cell is the electrolytic cell. Now consider galvanic cell or Voltaic cell. They are called galvanic or Voltaic cells after the name of the in the honor of the Luigi Galvani and Alessandro Volta. So they are called galvanic cell after the name of Galvani, Luigi Galvani and Alessandro Volta. They are called galvanic or Voltaic cell. In galvanic cell or Voltaic cell, spontaneous reactions are takes place. Which type of the reactions are takes place in the galvanic cell or Voltaic cell? Spontaneous type of the reactions are takes place. In galvanic cell, chemical energy is converted into electrical energy, and in galvanic or Voltaic cell, anode is the negative and cathode is the positive. So there are two electrodes dipped in the galvanic cell. One is called anode and second is called cathode. In the galvanic cell, anode is the negative, and in galvanic cell, cathode is the positive. Okay. Um in For example, what are the examples of the galvanic or Voltaic cell? For example, dry cell. Do you know dry cell, which is used in the watch, which is used in the calculators, are the dry cells, or we are which is used in the transistor, which is used in the radio, are the dry cells. Okay, so these are the type of the galvanic cell or Voltaic cell. Now consider the second type of the electrochemical cell. Second type of the electrochemical cell is the electrolytic cell. In electrolytic cell, non-spontaneous reactions are forced to occur. Non-spontaneous reactions are forced to occur by the applying the electricity, by applying the electrical potential. We can carry out the reactions, non-spontaneous reaction in the electrolytic cell by using the electricity or using the applying the electrical potential. In in electrolytic cell, electrical energy is converted into chemical energy. Do you know, in galvanic cell, chemical energy is converted into electrical energy, but in case of electrolytic cell, electrical energy is converted to chemical energy. It is the opposite to the galvanic cell. Okay, in galvanic cell, anode is the negative, but in electrolytic cell, anode is the positive. It is the opposite of the galvanic cell. Okay, in galvanic cell, cathode is positive, but in case of the electrolytic cell, cathode is the negative. Now what is the electrodes? Next point, consider what is the electrodes. The surface or strip, any strip or surface at which the oxidations and reduction takes place, oxidation and reductions half reactions takes place, are called electrodes. There are two types of electrodes. First electrode is called anode, and another type of electrode is called cathode. Okay, how many types of electrodes? There are two types of electrodes. One is called anode and second is called cathode. What is the electrode? Surface or trip, surface or trip at which oxidations and reduction half reactions takes place, oxidations and reduction half reactions occurs, are called electrodes. There are two types of electrodes. Which type of the electrodes? Cathode and anode. These are the two types of the electrodes.